Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will quickly give you a guide on how to add Pyypl card to Apple Pay. So firstly, ensure compatibility. Make sure your Pyypl card is activated and ready to use. Ensure that you have an Apple device with Apple Pay available, for example iPhone or iPad. Then your device must be running iOS 11.2 or later for Apple Pay compatibility. After that, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Wallet app. If you haven't set up Apple Pay before, follow the prompt to add a payment method. After that, add your Pyypl card. Inside the Wallet app, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Choose credit or debit card. Scan your Pyypl card using your phone's camera or enter the details manually. Apple will verify your card with Pyypl through a text or email. Enter the verification code you receive. After that, complete the setup. After verification, your Pyypl card will be added to Apple Pay. You can choose it as a default card for payments or switch between cards in the Wallet app as needed. To make a payment, simply hold your phone near a payment terminal and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Now you're all set to use your Pyypl card with Apple Pay in 2025. Guys, hopefully this helps you out. Press like, subscribe, see you in the next tutorial.